What is this tool and how do you even use it?
This is the Naga deburring system. This bit is used for countersinking, but there's so many more bits to use with this one tool. Here's just a few of the bits that you can get with it. To remove the bits, you just pull down on the head and then pull out on the bit. The base of the tool opens up so that way you'll be able to store your most commonly used bits and keep them on hand. Since the bit's at an offset, it makes countersinking a hole very simple and fast.
So you can get the Naga deburring system along with the many other bits at penntoolco.com.